Number 1. Have a hunch. It means to have an intuitive feeling or suspicion.
I have a hunch that he'll be late. I have a hunch that he'll be late. She had a hunch about the secret door. She had a hunch about the secret door. He has a hunch about the surprise party. He has a hunch about the surprise party.
Number 2. Have an interest in. It means to have a feeling of wanting to know or learn about something.
I have an interest in learning Spanish. I have an interest in learning Spanish. She has a great interest in history. She has a great interest in history. They have an interest in collecting stamps. They have an interest in collecting stamps.
Number 3. Have feelings for. It means to have a romantic or affectionate emotion towards someone.
He realized he had feelings for his friend. He realized he had feelings for his friend. She has strong feelings for her partner. She has strong feelings for her partner. Do you have feelings for anyone here? Do you have feelings for anyone here?
Number 4. Have a clear conscience. It means to feel that you have done nothing wrong.
She has a clear conscience about her decision. She has a clear conscience about her decision. After apologizing, he had a clear conscience. After apologizing, he had a clear conscience. They have a clear conscience after helping. They have a clear conscience after helping.
Number 5. Have a nap. It means to take a short sleep, usually during the day.
I'm going to have a nap this afternoon. I'm going to have a nap this afternoon. She had a nap after her long journey. She had a nap after her long journey. The baby had a nap in the stroller. The baby had a nap in the stroller.
Number 6. Make a choice. It means to decide between 2 or more options.
Tomorrow, I must make a choice about my major. Tomorrow, I must make a choice about my major. She made a choice to travel instead of working. She made a choice to travel instead of working. Making a choice can often be very difficult. Making a choice can often be very difficult.
Number 7. Make progress. It means to move forward or improve in some aspect.
He's making progress in his English studies. He's making progress in his English studies. The project is making progress ahead of schedule. The project is making progress ahead of schedule. They felt happy to make progress with their plans. They felt happy to make progress with their plans.
Number 8. Make an appointment. It means to arrange a meeting or visit.
I need to make an appointment with the dentist. I need to make an appointment with the dentist. She made an appointment for a job interview. She made an appointment for a job interview. Can we make an appointment to discuss this further? Can we make an appointment to discuss this further?
Number 9. Make an argument. It means to provide reasons or evidence to support an opinion.
He made a strong argument for renewable energy. He made a strong argument for renewable energy. In her essay, she makes an argument against fast fashion. In her essay, she makes an argument against fast fashion. They made an argument that convinced everyone. They made an argument that convinced everyone.
Number 10. Make an attempt. It means to try to do something.
She made an attempt to learn French. She made an attempt to learn French. I will make an attempt at baking a cake. I will make an attempt at baking a cake. He made an attempt to fix the car himself. He made an attempt to fix the car himself.
Number 11. Make a change, changes. It means to alter or modify something.
He decided to make a change in his career. He decided to make a change in his career. They made some changes to the original plan. They made some changes to the original plan. Making a change can sometimes be refreshing. Making a change can sometimes be refreshing.
Number 12. Make a deal. It means to agree on terms or come to an agreement.
The two companies made a deal last week. The two companies made a deal last week. She made a deal with her brother about chores. She made a deal with her brother about chores. They tried to make a deal to avoid court. They tried to make a deal to avoid court.
Number 13. Make a complaint. It means to express dissatisfaction or a grievance.
He made a complaint about the noise to the landlord. He made a complaint about the noise to the landlord. Customers often make complaints about poor service. Customers often make complaints about poor service. She made a complaint to the company about the product. She made a complaint to the company about the product.
Number 14. Make a claim. It means to request something, often money, believed to be owed.
After the accident, he made a claim on his insurance. After the accident, he made a claim on his insurance. You need to make a claim for the damaged goods. You need to make a claim for the damaged goods. She made a claim for compensation after the injury. She made a claim for compensation after the injury.
Number 15. Make a breakthrough. It means to achieve a significant discovery or progress.
Scientists made a breakthrough in cancer research. Scientists made a breakthrough in cancer research. The team made a breakthrough in solving the issue. The team made a breakthrough in solving the issue. Her work made a breakthrough in renewable energy technology. Her work made a breakthrough in renewable energy technology.
Number 16. Take responsibility. It means to accept accountability for something.
He took responsibility for the mistake at work. He took responsibility for the mistake at work. It's important to take responsibility for your actions. It's important to take responsibility for your actions. She took responsibility for the entire project's success. She took responsibility for the entire project's success.
Number 17, take an interest in. It means to start being interested in something.
He recently took an interest in gardening. He recently took an interest in gardening. She took an interest in photography last summer. She took an interest in photography last summer. Young children should take an interest in reading early. Young children should take an interest in reading early.
Number 18, take advantage of. It means to use a particular situation to gain benefit.
Don't take advantage of your friend's kindness. Don't take advantage of your friend's kindness. She took advantage of the sale to buy clothes. She took advantage of the sale to buy clothes. They took advantage of the good weather to hike. They took advantage of the good weather to hike.
Number 19, get a surprise. It means to receive something unexpected.
For her birthday, she got a surprise party. For her birthday, she got a surprise party. They got a surprise when they found the hidden garden. They got a surprise when they found the hidden garden. He got a surprise visit from his long-lost cousin. He got a surprise visit from his long-lost cousin.
Number 20, get good grades. It means to receive high marks in school or college.
She works hard to get good grades. She works hard to get good grades. If you study regularly, you'll get good grades. If you study regularly, you'll get good grades. He was thrilled to get good grades in math. He was thrilled to get good grades in math.
Number 21, be up to. It means to be doing something, often something suspicious or secretive.
What are you up to this weekend? What are you up to this weekend? She's up to something, but she won't tell me. She's up to something, but she won't tell me. They looked guilty. I knew they were up to no good. They looked guilty. I knew they were up to no good.
Number 22, break down in tears. It means to start crying suddenly or uncontrollably.
After the news, she broke down in tears. After the news, she broke down in tears. He broke down in tears during the speech. He broke down in tears during the speech. They all broke down in tears of joy. They all broke down in tears of joy.
Number 23, break into. It means to enter forcefully or illegally.
Thieves broke into the house last night. Thieves broke into the house last night. He broke into a run when he saw the bus. He broke into a run when he saw the bus. She broke into the industry with her innovative ideas. She broke into the industry with her innovative ideas.
Number 24, break off. It means to end something abruptly,
They decided to break off their engagement. They decided to break off their engagement. The talks between the companies broke off last week. The talks between the companies broke off last week. She had to break off the conversation to attend a meeting. She had to break off the conversation to attend a meeting.
Number 25. Break the news. It means to inform someone about something, usually something significant or newsworthy.
He had to break the news of their relocation. He had to break the news of their relocation. She broke the news gently to her parents. She broke the news gently to her parents. They called a meeting to break the news to employees. They called a meeting to break the news to employees.